Good morning, pot tubers, and welcome to day 12. We've had a bit of lying this morning. We didn't get up till 9:15, 9ish, because it was a late night. I think the last time I looked at the clock was about 1:30ish, maybe. I fell asleep before Mrs. P. We're having a lazy day today. We're going to do a bit of packing, get ready, get the room sorted a bit. We're going to have a pool day. Just chilling, relaxing, because we've done so much walking. Yesterday was about 12 miles we've done yesterday. One of the biggest days, 25,000 25,000 steps, sorry. And then tonight we're at Animal Kingdom's Lodge, innit? Animal Kingdom Lodge for dinner later on tonight. So we'll be driving there and leaving the car at that car park. So no beers for Mr. P today. But later on, or in a bit, we'll be going over to the pool and getting something to eat, get grab and go, or a quick serve, or a snack, or something like that. So we'll see you in a bit. Alright, so let's go to the pool, get the kiddie winks in the water for an hour. We're going restaurant first. Yep.
We didn't bring our mugs. None of us.
So we're going to go and pick Mrs. P's Disney Traditions and the Haunted Halloween bust up from the shop. Probably have a mooch, have a look, get something to eat, and then go to the pool. So we're here. I'm trying to destroy our quick serve. We've still got 37 quick serve left and 68 snacks. And Mrs. P's in a bit of a predicament because there's two Pandoras she likes.
I haven't seen any parks.
One's the carriage, Cinderella's carriage. Is it Cinderella's carriage?
Yeah.
One's Cinderella's carriage, and the other is the Haunted Mansion charm. And for both is $175. Mrs. P, what are you going to do?
Stop drinking. Cheers.
Boys got the quick serve. Well, that's a snack, innit?
They had a snack. Cheers.
Snack. So that's 4 snacks for them. Well, breakfast / dinner, well, lunch has just turned up. Mrs. P's got a cheese pizza and fries. Don't forget the chocolate and milk. I've gone for a Bud Light. That's what I've gone for. Yeah, right. I've gone for a Hawaiian pizza and fries as well. And it looks good, doesn't it, Mrs. P? Can I do that? Let me hold that a minute. It's filming.
Please.
So, we're debating whether to go in the pool or not. It looks awesome, doesn't it? Oh, I just take my vest up and jump in with these on, you know. Looks really good. Yeah, got my beer. What a view though, look. Got the skyliner in the background. You got the pool. That looks nice, doesn't it? Right, so the kid was in the pool. I'm here chilling out, kissing some rays. Mrs. P's gone to buy some Pandora.
Yeah, can you please do them?
And Colin wants me to clean his goggles for him. It's so warm sat here, isn't it? It's a bit warm. What is it tomorrow? Halloween. Not for us, it's not. But this is Florida Halloween, not UK Halloween. It's currently cold and freezing in the UK. What, cold? Oh.
I love it here. I love the hot weather, but for me, Halloween is how I've always been brought up.
Yeah.
You wrap up in your layers, you're watching fireworks in your layers, not standing there losing a stone in bloody
But the only
sweat.
problem is we're going to get back to Daventry and the fireworks there are going to be pitiful and sad.
Look like I could do better myself.
It'll be like a back garden fireworks display compared to what we've seen here at Disney, Hollywood Studios and Epcot.
Magic Kingdom.
And Magic Kingdom, a lot. It's been amazing, hasn't it? That's been an amazing holiday. The boys are more than happy to sat in the pool. I want to go and sit in the edge in a minute and get cooled down.
I would put my feet in, but I'm scared I'll fall in.
See, it's that good on this site that Mrs. P can go and visit Pandora while I'm sat by the pool with a drink, watching the boys, just catching some rays. How good is that? Well, that boys, hi ho, it's off to the room we go with a moody Corbin and a moody Zach. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. See, look, I didn't want to get out of the pool.
Yeah, and plus you lied, Dad, because you said, oh, we're going to go back in the pool later, but instead I said to Mum, are we going back in the pool later with Dad? And do you know what she said?
What's that?
No.
Oh well. Right, off to Animal Kingdom now.
Lodge.
Animal Lodge. Animal Kingdom Lodge, sorry. To gonna have some nice dinner. It's currently 32 degrees, caught a bit of a nice tan today. Caught a bit of sun by the pool. It's lovely. Let's go and have a look at what Animal Kingdom Lodge is like now. En route detour to Walmart first.
In 1/4 mile, turn right and then turn right.
No wonder it's a Chevy. Mum, I found a lovely Disney gift shop down there.
Turn right now and then turn left.
It says Disney gifts.
Yeah, we'll be like, no.
Turn right now and then turn right. You have arrived at your destination.
Let's go around. There's another one of these there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bad stuff.
We're just heading into Walmart to look for a small little case so I can use my extra 10k that I've got to spare. Look at that Camaro, Corbin. No, it's a Dodge Charger, sorry. I do apologise. Tree out there. Turn right and turn right again. Onto the freeway.
Turn right now.
Exact coins. Oh. Is it $1?
Yeah. Welcome to the toll in Orlando.
4 big ones, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go, cut for another big one. What's he doing?
Probably trying to get changed.
On West Osceola Parkway.
Mrs. P, look at this beautiful, beautiful sunset in Florida as we travel to the savannas of Animal Kingdom Lodge. 55, let's speed up a bit. 3 magical express buses.
Somebody's been 2 crashes, isn't it?
So since we've been here, we've actually seen 2 Disney bus crashes. Because that bus there is going to Animal Kingdom.
We can give you more alternative. Seriously, am I just like brain driving around a meat body right now?
FM 1019, Orlando's new alternative.
Oh, there's good thing. Oh no.
Wait, go here.
Jumbo House. Right, so Mrs. P, where are we at?
Jumbo House.
Jumbo House, Animal Kingdom Resort. So yeah, let's go and have a look around the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Wow. Wow.
Oh.
Don't start, Robin. Wow, isn't it?
This is amazing.
Look at it. Look at it coming in.
say this is impressive, very impressive. Right, so here we are at Animal Kingdom Lodge for our dinner tonight. This looks absolutely beautiful here, absolutely amazing. So where are we, Miss Pete? At the Jumbo House? Jumbo House. Animal Kingdom Jumbo House, and there is the savannah.
What's that nice smell?
Pelicans.
Helly.
We did have one of them rooms up there, look, looking straight down.
Oh no. There's all the rooms up there. This place is absolutely beautiful. I can see why. And we didn't come here. Why didn't we come here? Because it's £500 more than Caribbean Beach. That was it. So we're just going for a little explore now?
No, we was gonna, but then she got us that extra discount, and she said, if I've got you the extra 700 discount, do you really want to spend 500 to go somewhere else?
Yeah.
And we was like, oh no, we've got 700 quid off, we'll see that as a bargain.
And as it was our first time at Disney as well.
Wow, look at it.
It is pretty special, isn't it? That's okay, boys. Next time, Mrs. P. Next time we'll be here. Animal Kingdom.
With a savannah view.
With a savannah view. Definitely. Oh, it's nice. You have a look at the gift shop? Come on then, boys. Don't run, boys.
This is a shop.
Huh? Oh, wow. Wow. Oh no.
It's beautiful. That's the next one on my list.
Look.
That's the next one on my list. Look
It
at it
is.
in person.
It is nice, isn't it?
Disney traditions. Lush, isn't it?
So all the previous footage has been in slow-mo because I didn't take the camera off the slow-mo setting. Oh wow, they're nice.
Yep.
No way getting them back though. That's beautiful, that farm. But yeah, all the pool footage of me leaving the pool and everything else was in slow-mo.
Oh, from the pool?
No, walking back from the pool, talking to the camera for 2.5 minutes. So that was in slow-mo, and I did wonder why it was all zoomed in really close. Seen that, babe? But look at that mode, look. Got snake skin and leopard print and zebra print on it. Right, come on then. So now we're at Animal Kingdom Lodge. I can talk properly, not in slow-mo, in fast speed. And we're going to, where are we going for dinner?
Sana.
Sana. We're going for dinner tonight.
That one's 90.
90, but
That
yeah.
one's 40.
So that bag's 90, and this one, the little cute animal print one, is $40.
It's got little Mickey ears on it.
Oh yeah, little hidden Mickeys in it. That's $40. That is cute. Well, are you going to get it?
I like it.
Well, you're not going to see it again, so...
I've never seen it here the whole holiday.
Well, get it then. Get it.
I like that.
Well, you're a cheetah.
Oh, cheetah.
And what are you, Zach? You're a
He's
zebra.
a snow leopard.
Well,
See these pictures she's making over here? See what she's making?
no.
You named the animals.
Oh, wow.
They're really good, aren't they?
Oh, wow.
Hi.
Good, thank you.
These are all hand drawn, so I can draw any.
Wow, you're really good.
Wow.
Samples here if you'd like to take a look, and I can
You're
also
so
draw
good.
custom designs as well.
They're amazing.
Oh, it's Minecraft. Ew.
Yeah, I've just seen them eggs. Wow, they are absolutely beautiful. They are.
Giraffe one.
Eagle.
Come and get off him.
lion. I love that giraffe one. That's so cool. I bet they're not...
220
Is that
for
it?
that big one, lion
Oh,
one.
look at the owls as well.
$219 for the giraffe as well. That's
Wow,
good.
that's amazing.
That's good for that.
That is good.
Come
So,
there.
Miss P, what did you just buy?
Little backpack.
Let's have a look. What are they called? A flight bag?
Lounge fly.
Lounge flyer bag. So how much was that? $40. So where are we going now? That's that way. Out's that way.
Animal savannah. Savannah.
Right, so let's go to the car and go to dinner. It actually smells like Africa.
Who does? I don't know, it's just
Like the savannah. The smells here are incredible. Look, the moon is out. It's like nearly a full lunar eclipse.
look at it, you can actually see the pattern behind it.
Looks like a fingernail. But right, let's get to the car, Mrs. P. You are? I don't know what I'm going to try. Let's get in there. Let's get in the Goliath first. Get in. Do you know, I still love how these steps open in this car. I'll get in the pilot seat because I am the pilot of this land
I
yacht.
know for the boys at this place, they've got cheeseburger or they've got cheese pizza.
Are they?
They could both have cheese pizza or cheeseburger.
Yeah. I'll start the car.
I forgot what pizza is. I thought it was chicken nuggets.
I absolutely love this car. Absolutely love it. Do you like it still, Mrs. P?
Love it.
We need one when we get home. So you can stay there for one moment, okay? Kadani Village. Right, so off we go to Kadani Village for tonight's dinner at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Who's looking forward to this? And birthday boy tomorrow. Oh, they are a good idea. These stops. We're just saying about these stops.
You don't get cars overhanging on the...
No. We were just saying as well about people don't like stopping at zebra crossings over here, so you have to be so careful. There's a Jurassic Park car.
They would just run you over.
Jurassic Park Jeep down here. Oh wow, that is so cool. That's what you do to your car if you've got a Jeep. Turn it into the Jurassic Park car. That is wicked. That is so cool. Looking forward to seeing what it's like in here. So is Mrs. P. She has been looking forward to this.
I told you, Animal Kingdom is deluxe.
Animal Kingdom's a deluxe. That's a nice. Which way do we go? That way. Oh wow! Look at that lobby. Look at that entrance over there.
It's been a real interesting
Wow.
experience. When I was there for a week, the guy said,
Wow. These lodges are incredible. What time is it? Only for one more night.
it's 10 tomorrow. Oh my goodness, double digits. No, double
I can't see, show us. So it's just got the pager. So what's that going to do? That's going to vibrate and tell us when our food's ready, isn't it? Taser. It does that. Look, it looks like a taser, look.
Taste me.
I know my surname doesn't come up now, I'm just P.
My last name disappeared. I'm now just
I'll go around there then, I'll sit in the window. How old are you going to be?
10.
10. Oh,
Yeah.
amazing.
Thank
So
you.
you're going to be a Disney adult tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for our last day.
Official.
That's special. That's special.
Thank you so
Official. I won't worry about wine menu.
much. I won't drink wine anyway. Yeah, I'm more of a
No, we don't
cocktail.
need. We don't need wine menu.
Alright, so your service shows she's going to be here soon.
Thank
Lovely,
you so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, this is pretty special in here, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it? This is Natalie P. And he went, Natalie P. He went, I think that sounds better.
He's the only one that said your name properly the whole holiday.
Yeah, he,
Not
he's like,
Natalie.
where are you from? But he sounds more like, he talks more like us.
Yeah. He's probably from like, England, yeah. So I was just looking at the drinks, and I can't drink tonight because I'm driving. But they've got a bourbon flight, which I can't have. Cocktails, which I can't have. I might be able to have one. That's time.
Let you know here at SNot we do focus on African Indian fusion. So you can buy those two cultures.
Oh.
This boy over here wasn't me. On record. Cider menu that we do have at the top left-hand corner, you'll see our specialty cocktails and beverages. Those are going to be exclusive to our restaurant. We make those first four at the top with African rums and liqueurs. We also have some non-alcoholic specialties right below that, like our mango latte and mega berry smoothie. And then the rest of our drinks will be listed inside. Unfortunately, it is not. No. But if you are interested, it will come with all 5 packs. Let me know.
Yep,
Lovely, thank you. What are you having, Mrs. P?
I'm having a curry with a,
What is it, a butter chicken curry?
yeah, with a side and rice and a bread.
Aloe masala. I don't know what I want. I really don't know what I want. I've got the New York strip. Is that steak? Is it? That's steak, isn't it? Or do I try the South African? Well, that comes with, can't get in focus on here. That comes with 5 grilled meats. All traditional, so like mashed potato, broccoli, vegetables, stuff like that. And you got your cocktail coming as well, haven't you? Lovely.
Have we decided on entrees?
Yes, please. Yeah. I will have the butter chicken with the aloe masala and just a traditional naan, please.
And I will have the South African.
Right,
Yeah, that's the one.
Sounds good.
So what did you go for in the end? Raspberry. Some raspberry cocktail, but that looks good. That does look good. So, literally, we just sat here. Oh. So birthday. Gecko, look. So, literally, we just sat here. Fun in Florida, you'll love this. We're at Animal Kingdom having dinner, and this little lizard, this little gecko, has just decided to join us by jumping on the window and sat here with us. I didn't realise till Corbin and Zach said. Look how cool he is.
I was 3 days yesterday. Yes, 3 days ago. 3 days ago, and the kids is tomorrow.
Oh, look at that!
Actually, look it up so much.
I know! It's that bag. Let's do it.
That is awesome. Thank you. How cool is that? And the lizard's still there. After all that, the lizard is still there. Little Zachary just got a bit embarrassed. I was trying to show you with the lizard behind me in the birthday song, Come Along. And they started singing to him.
With the drum.
They started singing to both of you, didn't they? How was that? How was that, Corbin? He's been embarrassed and miserable. Did you enjoy that? Was it wicked? Yeah? That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Zach,
Yeah.
do you want to tell us what you've just found?
Yeah.
On the table, what have you just found? There's a hidden Mickey just there on the table. Oh, good timing. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Oh, wow. That pizza looks good. Wow, look at that, Mrs. P. There's mine. Meat trio, South African special. I'll do it, mate. That meat trio does look really, really good. And your butter chicken looks really, really good as well. Oh. Does it? Wow, come on, look at that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Awesome, dude. Right, so that's mine destroyed. I also helped Mrs. P eat some of hers. And I also helped Zachary eat some of his. And I also helped Corbin eat some of his. But little man's not feeling too well. All done, thank you. Yeah, it was lovely. Really, really nice. Thank you very much. So Zach, it's just me and you for dessert.
Yeah.
Mummy and Corbin not having any?
No.
What are you having? Pumbaa's dessert.
Yeah, and this is what I was thinking. So it comes in like this drink, it's about that big, and so it's Pumbaa as the frame, and then Timon standing up as the straw, and then you drink Timon out of the...
Right, so mate, what's just come out?
Let me take your dessert and mine.
Your birthday dessert called Pumbaa's Grubs. So it's got his happy birthday with some grubs and I've got the caramel nadizi. That looks so good. Not gonna last long with me. Look at the worms, look at the worms. And you got rock sweets.
Corbin, do you want a rock sweet?
So Mr. P, for tonight's amazing dinner, it was only $140 with a $25 tip. So that was really good, and the food was really, really nice. Even though I tried all 4 dinners because they couldn't eat it. But yeah, really good value for money tonight, wasn't it? So it was nice. Would recommend? Yes, I would.
Have you done Space Mountain before?
No.
First time.
Are you guys excited or are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous for Space Mountain.
It'll be fine.
It'll be
It's a
fine.
lot of fun. I'll tell you this funny story real quick. So I know what Space Mountain is here, and I went to Disneyland Paris, and it's an indoor coaster.
Yeah. Told that for Halloween they just
Yeah, but we're not. Yeah, but we've been to the Halloween party, so it's only then.
Oh, Jordan, yeah, it's
So-
a Halloween party. So in Disneyland Paris, the ride is completely different. And I don't do rides upside down, right? So I didn't even think about it. I go in line, I do it, and I couldn't even, I had to like sit down for 20 minutes after. It was the most intense ride.
Oh wow.
It whips you in and goes upside down like 3 times.
Oh
Oh my
wow.
god.
Yeah, the one in Paris is different. This one
so
here,
different.
this one here just takes you up. And
But it's not too, it's not as bad.
No.
Like I can handle it, and I can't handle every roller coaster,
Hold
but
on,
I
wait,
can do
she's
that.
finished talking.
I just didn't even think about it being different in Paris, just because it was an indoor
Because you
ride.
think it's Space Mountain.
I thought it was
Space
the same
Mountain.
one.
Exactly the same.
Not at all.
What's our YouTube channel?
Oh, I was wondering the story behind
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
I will definitely check it out.
Yeah, we're all
Fun
on-
with the Potters. I love it.
Exactly.
I'll check it out.
Lovely, thank you.
Thank you so much.
See you later. Bye. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye. As we head out into the look, nighttime safari. Oh, that would be so cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you get that if you're a guest here.
Do you?
Yeah, so you know down at Jumbo House,
Yeah.
when you look out your room over the savannah at night time, you get the nighttime safari.
Oh, so you can go on it?
Yeah, if you're staying in the hotel.
Oh, that'd be so cool.
We have to stay here next time we come.
Next time. So when you're 13 and 14. Yeah, maybe not.
No, yeah.
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 Well, that concludes tonight's dinner. We're now back off home to Caribbean Beach
With a sick boy.
with a poorly little boy. He's just not feeling too well. It's a little bit warm. She's smaller than you. So I've just reclined the boys' chairs back because they're feeling a little bit tired. And look, Is that better? Yeah, all recline back, that's cool. This car is so big, it's unreal. I absolutely love it. So a girl just got in a car next to us, or should I say truck.
You're not showing him that thing.
Look at that beast. Right, let me start the car a minute. Right, so I've just got in the truck next to me. There's a truck next to me, and it was hiding that Camaro. Right, that truck is a Super Duty. It's a double wheeled at the back, and there was one just there, bigger than this, and the girl was smaller than Natalie, and she just hopped in it, and we was like, oh my god. But the thing is, these are so easy to drive, it's unreal. But right, anyway, let's go. Right, here we are. After some diversions, it took us a lot longer than I thought it'd take us, for the plain simple fact that there was road closures. Literally, there was one bridge section closed, so we had to go miles down the freeway to make a U-turn to come all the way back for the detour. But anyway, it's been a good, chilled, relaxing pool. Oh, where you gone? Pool, packing, dinner, Animal Kingdom type of day. So I was got out of the car.
Oh, you forgot your case.
Huh?
Forgot your case.
No, there was 2 raccoons running across the car park fighting.
Oh, we came here and there was a big trolley outside. And we walked in. There was 2 women in here.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
They've hoovered and they've completely cleaned the bathroom because of the maintenance man said they needed to clean. And they was both in there on their with their cloths clean. That they've cleaned all the floor. They've cleaned the whole bathroom because it was a mess earlier.
Oh,
and look, they've been in. They've hoovered.
Moved the whole place. They've been in and give it a.
And then she said, "Is that all rubbish? I'll take it all now." I said, "Oh, you sure?
Oh.
Do you need me to do anything else for you?" I said, "No, no." I said, we only needed the toilet cleaning because the toilet had all filled up."
Yeah.
And she says, "Well, we've cleaned the whole bathroom, but they've
Oh.
obviously they had a hoover with them. They've hoovered all the way through."
Oh wow! And it's like, what's the time? 10:30 at night.
Yeah.
And we've had cleaners in here doing all the cleaning and sorting out. Look at this, look.
Put that lemonade stuff down. I think they probably left that there. But...
Right, anyway, pot tubers, on that note, did we enjoy our dinner tonight?
Yeah.
Would we recommend?
Yeah.
Yes, we would. But what I'm going to do, that's not what I'm going to do, it's what you're going to do. You're going to like, you're going to smash that subscribe button, you're going to comment down below. Boys, pot tubers, you know what to do.
One more day.